Hi beautiful, welcome to today's video. We are talking about the missing link or the one thing that you need to master if you want to speed up your manifestation process. So if you are applying law of attraction or you are maybe applying law of assumption, both of these laws are actually requiring to use this missing link. So what is it? Hear me out. We are not alone when we are manifesting. We are part of God, or you can call it universe or source, whatever you like. And we are one with the source, with God, with universe. And therefore, whenever we're trying to manifest something, we are not alone in the process. Once you actually understand that, you are not separated from God. You are not separated from the source. You are not separated from that higher power, that higher intelligence that is actually governing everything. Then you understand that you are one with it, and therefore you are powerful. And therefore it is not your job to figure it out how it's going to happen or when it's going to happen. These two are not your job. This is not your business. And therefore you will be able to surrender. You will be able to trust. You will be able to let go, which are the most important steps in the manifestation process. In the law of attraction process, these are the actually most important steps because it's okay for us to visualize. We can even feel into it. We can even feel like it's already here. But what is hard is to actually believe it's already done. It is because we are separating ourselves from the outcome. We think that it's us who need to figure out how. In fact, we will be guided. We will be guided from above. We will be guided by higher power, by their higher intelligence, provided we understand who we really are. Who you really are is not separated from the source. Who you really are is not separated from universe. We are all one. We are all one. And so what you want to manifest, it's already yours. Provided that you understand that God is everything, universe is everything, that energy in quantum field is everywhere. It's penetrating everything. The field is everywhere. And so once you understand that what you're trying to manifest already exists because it's part of everything, then you understand that you don't have to do anything. All you need to do is draw it to you, attract it to you. Therefore, it's called the law of attraction or the law of assumption for that matter, because you are assuming it's already here. It's already in your life. So the missing piece is this. It's that understanding, that knowing that you are not separated from source. You're not separated from that energy. You're not separated from the field. You're not separated from that particular frequency because God and universe is all of it. You are all of it. And therefore, if you are all of it, that means that you are already what you want to manifest. If you want to manifest more money, more prosperity, that means you are already it. You are already prosperity and abundance and money. If you want to manifest love, you are already it. If you want to manifest new house, you already have it. If you want to manifest more clients, you already have more clients. Why? Because you are not separated from it. You are all of it. And this is actually missing piece because once you actually master this understanding and you accept this understanding, you will discover your power from brand new perspective. And then it's going to be easier for you to surrender to the process. It's going to be easier to actually surrender to that how and when it's going to happen. And you will trust. And as you trust, you are already it. Because imagine what you want to manifest is already here. It's in your hands, like it's in your reality. You live it. Then you don't worry about it. You already breathe that frequency. You embody that frequency. You live that frequency. And that is how you know you are already manifesting it. Because it is coming to you. You don't have to do anything. You are it. You embody it. And then you take aligned action. And if you actually want to dig deeper, I do have a masterclass specifically on how to build wealth. Wealth is your birthright. So if you want to dig deeper, check it out. It's gonna be below in description, and stay tuned for my next video. I'll see you soon.